So if you now press ATC tool, you'll see pot number 4, 14mm spot drill,
Yeah.
and it's tool 12.
Yeah.
Okay. So now, if we go into MDI,
Yeah.
and we press program, and just call out that tool, T12, M6, there, and all you gotta do then is just press your cycle start, and it'll get it for you.
Yeah.
Okay. So, but as I say, the difference on this is it stays on there, and you can use this previous data to take you back through whatever commands you've got, and next data sort of brings you forward. Yeah. So you can call that all back up and re-see it.